Hello, and welcome to this digital course on GPT-3. In this first chapter of the second part, I'll introduce you to all of the different techniques that you will see later on, and more importantly, we'll see what this first module will cover. Then we'll end with a demo that you'll be able to do on your own once you've watched all of the videos. Here, there will be no more explanations of the concepts that make up GPT-3, which can be found in Part 1. We'll be concentrating on how to industrialize the use of GPT-3 and on alternatives to GPT-3. We'll continue this guide, which will assist you from the design phase through going live with your augmented intelligence. For this, the prerequisites are to have basic knowledge of programming, since we'll soon start working with the language Python. This part of the course will contain two major modules with a first module, exporting and using a model, which focuses on how to implement and industrialize content production in Python. And a second module, creating a web app, which will cover how to set up an interface for your users or clients to test generation. Now we'll move on to the code in Python. If you have basic knowledge of programming, this part will be very easy to understand. It's pretty direct. With a simple copy and paste of my Python examples, you can create your own content. You don't need to be an experienced developer to manipulate GPT-3. You just need to understand how it works. Chapter 1 covers the concept of a Jupyter notebook with examples on how to execute GPT-3. We'll look at a few practical cases using Google Colab. Next, Chapter 2 provides a comparison between BERT, GPT-3, and GPT-Neo, which are three current NLP models. I'll provide a number of source code examples. Then Chapter 3 will allow us to do a benchmark of the solutions and to evaluate what will best meet your needs. And all of this will allow us to understand how to choose the best settings in Chapter 4 in order to ensure the quality of the texts that will be produced. Finally, this will all allow us to go live with our solution in the last chapter in this module. Ready for the demo, I'm going to use Google Colab to produce product descriptions from product characteristics. Let's go. The cameras are rolling. I'll see you in a few minutes in the next chapter.